2025 is shaping up to be the year of AI, and I'm here to show you how. Even as a complete beginner, you can start making an extra $50 to $100 per day. The best part, you don't need any prior experience or a single dollar of investment to get started. Let us jump straight into the top 7 AI tools that people across the USA are using right now to build their income streams from scratch. First on our list is Pictory AI. This tool is a game changer. Pictory can take any script you give it and turn it into a full-fledged professional-looking video in just a few minutes. Think about it. Faceless YouTube channels, viral reels, engaging people are using Pictory to create these videos for clients and earning anywhere from $20 to $100 per video. Or you could use it to grow your own theme page and monetize it later. The possibilities are huge, and it's incredibly easy to use. Next up, we have Copy AI. If you've ever struggled with writing, this tool is your new best friend. Copy AI generates high-converting text for ads, emails, and product descriptions that actually sell. This is a massive opportunity because copywriting is one of the easiest AI-powered skills to learn for 2025. Freelancers are already charging clients $30 to $150 for a single project. Recopy AI, you can deliver professional-grade copy in a fraction of the time, making it a highly profitable side hustle. Our third tool is a name you probably already know, but with a powerful twist. Canva AI. You might use Canva for simple graphics, but its AI features take it to a whole new level. You can design stunning logos, eye-catching thumbnails, professional flyers, and beautiful Instagram posts in minutes. Small businesses all across the USA need fresh designs every single day, and they're willing to pay for it. People are easily earning $10 to $50 per design, and with Canva AI, you can pump out multiple designs in an hour. Coming in at number 4 is opusclip. This is pure magic for video creators. It takes long-form videos, like a podcast or a YouTube deep dive, and automatically identifies the most viral moments, turning them into engaging short-form clips. Creators are desperate for this service and are paying $5 to $20 for each short clip. Some are even paying over $100 a month for ongoing editing. This is perfect for anyone looking to help others dominate YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. At number 5, we have Crisp AI. Ever been on a Zoom call where someone's dog is barking in the background? Crisp solves that. It removes all background noise from your audio instantly with just one click. Remote workers, podcasters, YouTubers, pretty much anyone who uses a microphone needs this. You can easily offer audio cleanup services and charge $10 to $30 for a quick fix. It's a simple, high-demand service that provides immediate value to your clients. Tool number 6 is Notion AI. This is for all the organization lovers out there. Notion AI helps you build powerful dashboards, automated content calendars, and streamlined workflow systems. It turns a simple note-taking app into a full-blown operating system for a business or a personal brand. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $50 to $250 just to set up these custom Notion systems for clients. The demand for productivity solutions in the US market is absolutely massive, and Notion AI puts you right at the center of it. Finally, the one you've all been waiting for. Number 7, ChatGPT. This is arguably the most powerful and versatile AI tool available to the public. The ways to make money with it are almost limitless. You can sell scripts for videos, perform SEO analysis for websites, write website copy, develop business plans, create marketing ideas, and generate endless content. People are easily making $500 to $2,000 per month just by selling solutions powered by ChatGPT. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips. So there you have it, 7 incredible AI tools that can help you start earning $100 a day in 2025. If you found this helpful and want a part 2 with even more tools, comment AI tools down below. Yay! And don't forget to subscribe for more USA-focused earning videos. Thanks for watching.